Are you maximizing your Betterment account, or is it just sitting there, doing its own thing? Betterment is a fantastic tool, but just like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. In 2025, Betterment is packed with new features and a refined investment strategy. So, if you're not actively using its full potential, you're leaving money on the table. Today, we're going to dive into the best tips for using Betterment in 2025 to make your money work harder for you. First, let's talk about the big change for 2025, the new portfolio updates. Betterment has adjusted its core, value tilt, and socially responsible investing portfolios. The key changes include a modest increase in U.S. stock exposure, and for those with larger bond allocations, a shift toward U.S. short-term, high-grade corporate bonds. This is a subtle but important change designed to capture higher yields without taking on excessive risk. You don't need to do anything to implement this. Betterment's automated rebalancing handles it, but it's good to know what's going on under the hood. For the tech-focused, the innovative technology portfolio now includes a new actively managed fund with more exposure to AI and biotech. Next, master the art of tax loss harvesting. This is a powerful feature that's unique to robo-advisors. Betterment's Tax Loss Harvesting Plus is constantly scanning for opportunities to sell investments that have lost value to offset capital gains and reduce your taxable income. The average Betterment user has their advisory fee covered by the tax savings from this feature. Don't just set it and forget it. Be aware of your tax loss harvesting allowance and make sure it's enabled to truly optimize your portfolio. Third, leverage the new flexibility. In 2025, Betterment has introduced more control and customization. If you have legacy holdings or single stocks, you can now use what they call sell-only substitutes to gradually transition those assets into your target allocation in a tax-efficient way. This is a game changer for people who are consolidating their finances or moving from a traditional brokerage. Finally, don't forget the basics. Make sure your account is on auto deposits. Betterment's own data shows that customers using recurring deposits earned higher annual returns. Why? It removes emotion from the equation and it's the simplest form of dollar-cost averaging. Also, take advantage of the tax-coordinated portfolio feature to maximize tax efficiency across your different accounts, like your IRA and a taxable brokerage. It's a simple, automated way to put your highest taxed assets in tax-advantaged accounts. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.